Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to show you some awesome slimes that I haven't played in a while. So, here's the first one. Sorry, I have a lot of slimes, so I have to, scout them around. So, this is the blue one. Look how pretty it is. These are blue ones. Let's take the whole... Oh! I can't really, feel it. It's jumpy, you guys. That's really weird. Oh my goodness, let's take the whole thing out. It's like jello. It's like jello. You know, there's Cookie Squirrel here. If you guys don't know that person, she had a slime video that I wanted to make a slime video. But it's like her pink slime. It's not good condition. Look. It's just like jello. I can't you just I had to mix them. It's like jello. I don't know if I'll keep this, but I probably will to make my awesome videos. But if you stretch it out more and don't do it too hard, it'll probably be some stretchy. No, I don't like when the flowers get off. But the flowers are pretty cute. Look at that. Look at that. They're really cute. You guys, I also wanted you guys to know, while I do the slime, I'm also going to talk about my previous videos that I made for you guys. So, remember, you guys, if you guys know the one I made about, you know that previous video about sleigh nails? My friend actually remade it with her sister. She was pretending to be a Karen. And remember my promotion test? You guys should have seen that. If you guys haven't, look right now. And it was pretty fun. I got boba on that day. And it was pretty fun. And I did board breaking. It took me a little while because I was scared. I was new to Warehouse Kick. And I have to break the board. So, you guys, I have a street fair, if you guys didn't know that. It was so much fun. It was pretty good, and I did board breaking also. We had to do board breaking for cartwheels. I couldn't do it, but my friends can, and they're twins. You guys, you've seen one of them in the promotion test. And I'll show you a picture next time. But look at that. I actually made it jelly. We can actually do that and it works. So there's also ways to request the slime. So if you have extra slime, you can mix them up and then try to mix them up real good. And then you have to mix it up for a few days. That happened to me. And then after you mix it up, it not be so hard anymore. So yeah. And if you guys like slime, comment down below. And always don't forget to like and subscribe. I also have another tool, but I don't know where it went. We have to blow it. It's a little straw. But look. Just listen to that. That's satisfying. Let's move on to another slime. Let me just go get it. Wow. Sorry. I just like spinning. You guys, it's like the other one, but these are like the same ones. Ooh, this one feels like good condition, but it's cold. It's really cold. But yeah, while I show you my new slime, I'll tell you more about things. So in my videos, so in my previous videos, you know, I did a Kanekazugu Mamushi. I don't really do it that as much anymore because I gone out of it, and I did it a lot of times. If I do it like a lot of times, I wouldn't like it to dance anymore. But yeah, I grew out of it, and I don't do it anymore. It's just that because that it's like a little boring, and I'm new like to this one. Sweet little bumblebee, I know what you want from me. Doop-a-doop-da-da, doop-a-doop-da-da. You guys see one of my videos when I did that, and you guys didn't like as much, but on my other one when I did the doodle one, you gave me a lot of likes and comments. And I also, you guys, I want you to keep commenting on my videos, and then I'll reply. You get it? And then I'm getting Robux, and if you want Robux, tell me in the comment below. I might get it. I won't get it so soon, but I'm giving you guys Robux, and comment down below your Roblox name. Yeah, and I'll give you some Robux. You guys are gonna be so happy. I'm getting it from my friend from school. Well, she's giving me 10,000, and she's getting 10,000. But she is not that person. There's one boy that owes me Robux from last year when I was in first grade. And yeah, it was pretty cool, but he didn't give me any Robux, so sad face. But look at that. So jiggles. It's like the other slime. It's pretty fun to play with it. It's like Jello now. It was Jello. It's not really cool to play with. Comment down below if you want me to do Sanrio blind bag videos. It like bounces like a ball. Let's see if I can shape it like in a ball. And then it like bounces. It's like a little ball. It feels like a little ball, but it's not that bouncy. Oh, it can actually fit through my couch. Okay, let's go to the next slime. So this one is like broken. I don't know how to repair it back, but I'll show you guys later when my dad is back. Well, my dad is busy, so I don't want to bother him, but I'll show you next time. This is a pinky one. Oh my goodness. It actually has like little dirty stuff in this one. but it's fine. Look at that. Comment down below your favorite color. My favorite color is gold. And we're not going to play with those Play-Dohs there because I don't know if they're really good in conditions. But next time, I'll tell you. See, here's some crusted ones here. So look, you put it inside and then you mush it around so it doesn't go to waste. And then for a few days, it won't be crusted. This is why you should always subscribe to me. And thank you for somebody saying I love your videos. And the one that the challenge that I did with if I know the song, if I don't know the song. But thank you so much. Thank you for everybody for playing with, for subscribing to me. Wait. I subscribe to my own self, though. You listen to that? Oh my goodness! It actually got longer. It's in good condition, I think. It's really good in condition. Oh my. This is so cool. But look at that. It's actually so, cool to do this. Wait, it's just, you always have to wait. Oh, do you see that? I can't make live yet, and I wish I could make live so I can talk to you guys. Oh my, it broke. So I wish if you guys like and subscribe, I would make live. And if I hit 50 or 55 subscribers, I would make live, and you guys know what that means. I can respond to your comments and a lot more. I can talk to you. I get a diamond play button. And so kind of crazy stuff. I don't want to do crazy stuff like people do, and yeah, I'm just sculpturing something. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Also, my friend's a YouTuber. That was the person who's giving me 10,000 Robux, and I would be in her video. So you guys can subscribe to her too. Don't only subscribe to me, subscribe to her too. And you guys, you will see her in my previous videos too. So that's all the slime I'm showing you today. I just want to wash my hands. But next time, I would make a doll video of a school next time, okay? Bye.